everybody, I'm happy to see you again in my channel. As I had been to food state which is called as Thindi Beedi in Karnataka, which is located in Vishweshwarapura, Bengaluru. I would like to put a disclaimer on this video. This video will be a vlog on food street but not the food review video. Hope you'll enjoy it. Usually food street opens at 4 p.m. and ends at 11 p.m. and we visited on weekend, so it was a bit crowdy. Then we started exploring some shops, and initially we started with mojito drinks and some snacks. If you want to taste some snacks and sweets like vada pav, pav bhaji, dabdi jalebi and etc., and I would recommend a shop called Dev Sagar in Vishweshwarapura food street, which is really good. We tasted pani puri with different flavors of pani, and which was quite good. We were very disappointed with potato spring chips, which was cooked in a very bad oil and the taste was very different, so I would recommend don't buy any potato spring chips in Vishweshwarapura food street. Hope you enjoyed this video. Try visiting our Vishweshwarapura food street. Share your experience in comment box if you have already visited, and do subscribe, support and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.